I made the pancakes as you saw earlier for breakfast for the kids. It's Thanksgiving. I have to make the green bean casserole and the sweet potato casserole. And then we'll go to my mom's for the rest of the day. And I got summer sausage for the kids to have as like a snack before dinner, and some cheese and crackers. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to show you how I make those. And then we'll just keep on going. Okay, now this is not like regular green bean casserole. It's a little bit different. I don't like regular green bean casserole, but I like this one. Probably about 5 or 6 years back, one of my friends had brought this to Thanksgiving. She was like my best friend, and it was really good. And she made it like this because she knew I didn't like the mushroom one. So you mix your onions and your garlic in there. I know I made a lot, but my family likes to have leftovers of it. My brother and sister will eat all of this if I let them. 2 jars of Alfredo sauce. I made about 5 bags of the steamed green beans. I find it's just easier to mix it in the tray instead of trying to get bowls and make everything else dirty. Next, almost a whole pack of 16-ounce bacon. I don't measure it, I just throw it in when I think it's enough. Alright, so I mix some more cheese in there. More cheese on top. Just not too much, but enough. Okay. And then some French fried onions. Alright, and then I'm going to bake this. Okay, for sweet potato casserole, I'm lazy. We're not peeling sweet potatoes. We're going to use these I got from Aldi. I bought 6. I'm going to see how much 4 will give us, and if I need more, I'll make more.